Did you know pig farming is one of the most lucrative opportunities in agribusiness? Let me break it down for you, in less than 60 seconds. Fact number 1, pigs are baby-making machines. One sow can produce up to 24 piglets a year. That's a lot of future bacon. Fact number 2, pigs are super efficient. They turn feed into body mass faster than most livestock. Less food, faster growth, more profit. Fact number 3, pork is always in demand. From bacon to leather, pigs provide products that sell like hotcakes. Fact number 4, pig farming is flexible. Small backyard, large farm, doesn't matter, it works for both. Fact number 5, the real money's in value-added products. Think bacon, sausage, ham, all at premium prices. Want to learn more about turning pig farming into a gold mine? Check out the full video on Ancestry Lands.